Thank you so much. And thank you so much for inviting me on this platform. I'm overjoyed to be here and be talking in front of many, many, many of you. My name is Prisha Gulani, and as a beautiful introduction given by Ram, yes, I am a professional makeup artist, a celebrity artist, beauty influencer, and an educator. And I'm here to talk about how to start your career as a makeup artist. But before that, I'm sure everyone wants to know my journey as to how I became a makeup artist. And that's how I think people would enjoy, wanting to get into this platform. So I used to be an events organizer. I used to do destination weddings and be fond of really something which is big and creative, flowers flowing down, very filmy girls. So I used to love colors, playing with colors and a lot of things. And that's how I thought that why work under someone when you can be yourself and you can earn by yourself and make a mark and be a brand yourself. But for that, you need to acquire a skill. If you have a skill in your hand, be it anything, I'm not even talking about makeup right now, be it anything, if you have that skill in your hand, you can be an entrepreneur, you can be your own king. And that's how I thought something which was closer to events, closer to colors, closer to creativity, closer to glamour, which is all I wanted, was makeup. And that's how I thought I should become a makeup artist. And that's where my journey began. I found a course, I found a academy where I educated myself about makeup. I learned so many things, and I networked myself. And luckily, I shifted to another city, and I had to begin everything from the beginning, like networking, making friends. I had no idea. I have the skill in my hand, but I cannot connect with people because people don't know me. And that's when Mac came in front of me, and I took that opportunity to connect with people, to do networking, to understand what client facing is when you meet a lot of people at the store and you don't know how to talk to them. So you learn that you get trained under amazing artists who work in Mac, and also you get so much product knowledge which you would otherwise not get. The brands that are working in around you, the competitors, and of course, if you want to become a makeup artist, you need to know what brands are running, what are the kind of people who are there in this market, who are going to be your clients, and what kind of makeup do they like. So all these things, it's not only about the lipstick lagaya, eyeliner lagaya, blush lagaya, bindi ready ho gayi. This is not all about this. It's about understanding your market. It is about understanding your clients. It's about understanding what is your niche, what kind of artist you are. And that's how I felt that I learned a lot from Mac. And after I understood and absorbed everything from Mac, I thought it's time to leave and start my own. Now I know people, now I know the market. Let's get into the field. And that's how I became an artist. And since 6 years, I am into this line. I have done celebrity makeups, I have done bridals, I have done fashion shows, I have done ads, I have done print media, and I also have an academy of my own. It's been a great journey, and I still feel there's so much more to learn in this line. So here is my journey, and now I'd like to say, after learning all this today, I'm in a position to at least give you my ideas and my vision as to what I think, what you guys need to become a makeup artist. And here we begin the actual topic. Let me very first tell you, a lot of people think that makeup artist to सिर्फ एक लड़की बन सकती है. Let me clear this myth that it's not really a girl's job only. A man and a woman both are equal and both can become makeup artists. And if you see the best artists in the line, you talk about fashion designing, you talk about jewelry designing, you talk about TV, fashion shows, a lot of places, makeups, a lot of places, the best artists are men. So, of course, that myth is solved that, even if you're a man and you are someone who's very creative and wants to get into a field where you can show your creativity, makeup is one such field where you can become an artist and show your creativity. Then comes then comes if you want to become an artist, then what are the things that are important to become an artist? Of course, need to educate yourself. If you come and you tell me that, you know what, I do self makeup, I do my makeup so I can get someone ready easily. No, my dear, I don't think that's right, because every skin we are in India, we have different tones, we have different skin types, and we have different textures that we're playing with every day. So I feel course is very important. But before taking up a course, something more is important, is understanding what kind of makeup artist you would like to be. If a no layman would say मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का मतलब है ब्यूटिशियन, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का मतलब है दुल्हन को रेडी करना, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का मतलब है यूं ही जाकर ना कहीं पर ऐसे बस ब्लश वश लगाओ, लिपस्टिक लगाओ एंड रेडी हो जाएगी. I don't think that's the right thing. If you have that in mind, there are so many different kind of makeups in this industry. A, of course, bridal makeup artist, definitely. Second comes editorial. So you see a lot of magazines. So those are the kind of makeups that you see. You see prosthetics. You see in the movie Pa, you saw Amitabh Bachchan dressed in that kind of makeup takes more than 12 hours. So that's more difficult. There are Halloween makeups. There are many different kinds of makeups in the industry that you need to understand where your liking is towards. What kind of makeup attracts you? There is TV and film industry who do different kinds of makeup. So what is the kind of makeup that A attracts you? And second, that's how when you understand that, all right, this is the kind of makeup attracts me. Now look for a course. Now look for a person who aspires you. You feel that, oh, this guy inspires me. This makeup artist inspires me. His or her work inspires me. So I want to become like him or her. And that's when you get into that field. You start looking for those artists, you start looking for those kind of academies. When you finally find that kind of an artist who inspires you, look for the courses that those people are running. Don't ever go for followers. Don't ever go for, all right, this artist has 500K followers, must be good. Followers can be bought, followers can be marketed. It's very easy to get them. If you pay some money, you get all of that. But your hard work is what you can actually see on that page. If you see that that is a thing that attracts you, and they are good teachers, is very, very important. Someone who can teach you well is a good educator rather than an artist. So make sure that you find someone who's a good educator. And how do you know that? How do you understand that the artist is a good educator or this academy teaches well? You need to do some kind of research. Talk to their older students. देखो उनके पहले के सारे स्टूडेंट्स में से उनके साथ आप कनेक्ट करो. Try to connect with them, talk to them, if how they felt about their courses and what have they achieved so far. And that's how you decide as to what you want to do and whether you want to do it with them, whether you want to do that course with that particular academy or with that artist. Don't go for the numbers that you see, go for the work, what attracts you. So this is the most important thing when you're talking about makeup, style of makeup and courses. Of course, any skill that you acquire, सामने वाला भी आपको अपनी टेक्निक दे रहा है. Something that forever he's been learning. So एक है टेक्निक, सेकेंड है टाइम, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आजकल किसके पास है? तो टाइम भी दे रहा है, टेक्निक भी दे रहा है, ऑफकोर्स लाइट्स, जगह, बहुत सारी चीजें इन्वॉल्व है. तो इसमें एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन्वॉल्व है, फी विच इज इन्वॉल्व इन दिस. And that's the reason for the technique that you're going to continue and start making money and maybe double fold more than the person who taught you. So definitely the money is going to be big, but you're going to make a lot of more money than this. So always remember what this career is going to finally give you. It's going to give you a lot of money if you're a good artist. So that's more important. So definitely fees can range from anywhere between 50,000 to 6 lakh rupees in India only. It can be any small artist with small number of followers, but a great educator, to any big academy with big banner films under it and having a heavy fee. So it can be anywhere. What you have to do your research and find your own way. So these are the most important things, and this is the budget that is involved in it. Okay, but don't think that अच्छा मैंने academy join कर लिया, अच्छा मैंने artist ले लिया, तो इसका मतलब मैं makeup artist बन गई. No, so this is the fee that they charge for their techniques, their teaching, their time. This does not involve your products. It does not involve your kit. It's very, very important that these things, जैसे हम भगवान को पूछते हैं ना, वैसे मैं खुद अपने ब्रशेस और मेकअप को पूछती हूँ, because this is what gives me money, this is what gives me recognition, this is what makes people like me. So it's very important to have a kit of your own baby, whom you're going to be throwing it up in the market and showing people what you are as a person. So a basic kit can cost you anywhere between 50,000 to a lakh. And of course, once you become a makeup artist and once you get attracted to these colors and these textures and everything, there is no way that anyone can stop you from buying makeup. If you all, I mean, there'll be many women watching right now, खुद के सेल्फ मेकअप के लिए आप कितनी चीजें खरीद लेती हो। अरे आज ये एक नया मेकअप आ गया मार्केट में, ये न्यू लिपस्टिक आ गई, ऐसे ना ना बोलते बोलते भी हम सबके पास ड्रॉवर्स भरे हुए हैं। So can you imagine, as a makeup artist, don't even ask me how much I own. So there are bigger artists than me in the market, and there is endless products that we have. Some artists hoard a lot of products, जिनको सिवाय खरीदने का और कुछ सोचता नहीं है, ये भी लेना है, वो भी लेना है, वो भी लेना है. But be sensible when you buy. If you are a new artist, you cannot indulge into everything that you see on the television or on Instagram. कुछ ad चल रहा है, हुडा ब्यूटी का न्यू आ गया फाउंडेशन, चलो उठा लो. You cannot do all of these things. Very important that अभी तक आपका career शुरू ही नहीं हुआ है. Start with your basic kit. Do some 50 makeups. Get some confidence. Understand what makeup is. Is someone even liking it, or do you need to improve? For all of this, you need a lot of practice. Without practice, even a best academy pass out cannot be a good makeup artist. If you don't have practice, if you don't have that skill in your hand, and if you don't practice enough and put that hard work, you will not reach anywhere, no matter which academy you're passing out. So make sure that you practice enough. And once you practice enough, how will you practice? You keep doing a lot of faces, neighbors, friends, family, support house, sabke upar makeup karo. Keep practicing till you find that you are satisfied with what you see. And that's when you will start getting clients. Once you start getting clients, once you start earning money, use that money to roll into buying new products rather than घर से पापा मम्मी से बोल के 5,000 दे दो, मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ ले आऊँ, तो ये तो वो तो देते ही रहेंगे जिंदगी में, वो थोड़ा मना करने वाले हैं. So definitely earn and then spend. You will also enjoy spending that money because you're earning it yourself. So this is very important about the course, about the fees, and about the products, making your own kit. Also in the market, as I said, there are a lot of different brands. Just kharido mat. Always try, test it on yourself. If you like, only then you can recommend it to others. So it's very important as a makeup artist. आप सिर्फ मेकअप नहीं करते हो, आप एक क्लाइंट के साथ फ्रेंडशिप बनाते हो. यू ट्राई टू मेक दैट काइंड ऑफ एन अटैचमेंट, कनेक्शन विथ योर क्लाइंट, where even if they have questions, you are there to answer. You are someone right now they are looking up to. Oh my God, I want to look like her. I want to, get dressed like Deepika Padukone, and this woman is going to change my look. So that means they are basically looking at you at some. You're like some transformationalist who's come, जो मुझे बदल ही देगी. So definitely, if they have any questions, you are in that position to answer, and you make sure you give them genuine answers. If you don't have, you make sure you recommend them to someone else. This is how you build client relationship, and that's when the client never goes out of your hand. He always come back to you because of the kind of relationship that you have built with your client. So very important कि makeup artist को सिर्फ makeup जानना जरूरी नहीं है. You need to know how to handle your clients. Your client facing is very important. How you talk to them, how you present yourself, how you look is whatever you look, that's how you're going to sell yourself. If you're going to go like बंदी कपड़े ये अजीब से पहन के और जाकर आप मेकअप करो, सामने वाले को ऐसा लगेगा कि ये मुझे तैयार करने है, खुद को ही उसको ग्रूमिंग की जरूरत है. So it's very important that you're well groomed. All your products are neat and clean. You have to have hygienic hands because your hands are everything. They're going to be touching everyone's face. So make sure that your nails are well manicured. You look good. You smell good. You don't have a bad breath. So all of these play a very important role as a makeup artist. And once all of this is done, you need to market yourself. Very important is marketing. As I said, networking is very important. But more than that, when you enter in this line, the most important thing is collaboration. You everyone's an enemy once you enter. आप मूवी इंडस्ट्री में एक एज अ एक्ट्रेस घुस जाओगे तो भी आपके लिए कॉम्पिटिटर्स यही रहेंगे कि ये मेरी मूवी ले रही, मैं इसकी जगह जाऊँ. Same way in makeup, same way in any creative field. No one wants to give their place away. No one wants to give their clients away. No one wants you to make clients. Everyone wants to take away their clients. So very important is making a relationship, but before that, collaborating. work with different artists and understand their techniques of handling clients, doing makeup. Everyone has their own hand. You will not only, you have learned something from the academy, but definitely everywhere you go, with everyone you work, there will be a different way of doing things. Everyone has their own style. Find your style, look for that thing that is going to make you unique, someone you can stand out. All right, this person is good for this kind of makeup, this is what I see on her page. So you have to find your own niche, and that's the most important thing. And also learning makeup, choose people from your own state, because that particular state requires that kind of makeup. Like we are in Maharashtra, we are in Bombay, Pune, there'll be a lot of Cosmo crowd, but people don't like extremely heavy makeups. People like something closer to skin. That's the kind of study that I've done. Definitely there'll be people who like loud makeup, but most of them don't like that kind of loud makeup. Whereas if you go north side, you see those heavy makeups, heavy blushes, big lashes. So that's the kind of makeup requirement that particular state has. So find your artist in a closer state so that you can understand that kind of makeup where people like your work. All these are important, and presenting yourself, being hygienic, all of these things are also very important. So these are the things which in at together make you a great makeup artist, and that's how you can begin your career with a great smile and a lot of confidence. Don't lose heart. Initially 6 months, 1 year, things are going to be bad. You might not get clients, you might have to do free makeups. It's absolutely okay, it's absolutely okay, but you're practicing. Remember, you are practicing and you're going to make it there. No one in this whole of India I have seen as a makeup artist sitting idle at home. Everyone has work. So this line is great for a man or a woman or anybody, even a transgender for that matter. Everyone, this place is for everyone. If you're in love with colors, if you're in love with texture, if you're in love with faces, this is the place to be. And with this, I would like to end my session by telling you that I am myself an educator. I also teach self makeup and professional makeup. And I like to show you my work in the next video, where I have my details of my Instagram page, my contact details. And if you have any questions, please throw in after this video. Thank you so much, EduBridge, and thank you, Lavina, for giving me this chance. Really owe this to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Prisha. Prisha, just hang on. We have questions from our audience that we'd like to ask you. So let's watch your video and then come back so that you can answer all of those amazing questions that we've got.
Definitely.
Thank you, Prisha. That was fantastic stuff.
Thank
Love
you.
your
Thank you so much. Thank you so
beautiful.
much.
Yeah, love your work. So we have a few questions. Yeah.
Okay.
You're ready, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay,
Bring them on.
let's do a little bit of Hindi and let's try some more languages so that we can connect to our audiences better. So बताओ
Totally.
प्रशा, अगर हमारे students जो हमारे learners हैं वो 10th पास है, 12th पास है, बहुत सारे अपने graduation complete नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो for getting into makeup industry, getting into the movie industry और ये wedding planning industry हो गया या event industry हो गई, इसमें डिग्री कितनी जरूरत है और 10th 12th पास के लिए पढ़ाई करने के लिए आगे कैसे कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं?
So in makeup, honestly, कितने भी लोग कुछ भी बोले, degree is not important. Your creativity is important. But definitely, I feel education is the must. Someone who's a graduate has more exposure. आप जितना ज़्यादा आप पढ़ोगे, 12th at least करोगे या graduation करोगे, आपका exposure towards लोगों से मिलना, बात करना आपकी तहजीब में झलकेगा डेफिनेटली। आप अगर एक 10th पास हो, मैं नहीं कहती हूँ कि आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं बन सकते हो 10th के बाद, डेफिनेटली, बट आपको 18 तो होना पड़ेगा इंडस्ट्री में घुसने के लिए, तो डेफिनेटली 12th तो कीजिए। लेकिन अगर आप पढ़ोगे तो आपको, आपकी शिक्षा आपको काम ही आने वाली है मेकअप में। आप मेकअप को खाली कलर्स पे मत समझिए, मेकअप इज अ साइंस। अगर आपको बेसिक नॉलेज साइंस का नहीं आएगा, वो आपको एजुकेशन से ही आने वाला है। कलर्स जो स्किन पे लगाना है, और वो कैसे रिएक्ट करता है, क्यों रिएक्ट करता है। अगर ये ऑयली स्किन पे मैंने कुछ अलग टेक्सचर लगा दिया और वो रिएक्ट कर रहा है और वो लेडी काली लग रही है, क्यों लग रही है। आपको अगर बेसिक एजुकेशन नहीं है तो आप ये चीजें नहीं समझ पाएंगे। इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट मेकअप, इट इज अबाउट द साइंस। सो आई वुड से मिनिमम 12th होना चाहिए। कहीं पर भी रूल बुक में लिखा हुआ नहीं है कि आपको इतना एजुकेशन चाहिए, बट आई फील दैट एटलीस्ट अगर आप 12th हो तो आप मार्केट में उतर सकते हो। दैट्स ऑल।
Okay, great. Also, a couple of other questions that they have is mainly to do with budgets, right? जैसा आपने कहा कि to get अपना खुद का एक kit, एक अपना special kit बनाना जो आप regularly अपने clients के साथ में use करते हो, can cost you anywhere between 50,000 से लेके 1 लाख तक उसका खर्चा हो सकता है, right? ये इसका मेंटेनेंस का खर्चा कितना है, एंड जो मिनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जो चाहिए होते हैं टू स्टार्ट, अगर अगर कोई स्टूडेंट को हमारे मेकअप स्टार्ट करना है तो मिनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स कौन से होते हैं जो वो ले सकते हैं, छोटे छोटे वीडियोस देख के ट्राई कर सकते हैं, and then what are the what is the minimal expense that one can expect?
इसमें डिपेंड करता है व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट। आप एक सेल्फ मेकअप मेकअप किट के लिए बात कर रहे हो कि प्रोफेशनल मेकअप किट के लिए बात कर रहे हो। अगर सेल्फ मेकअप किट के लिए बात कर रहे हो तो यू जस्ट नीड जितना आपको जरूरत है, 2 लिपस्टिक्स, एक लाइनर, आपके खुद के कलर टोन का फाउंडेशन, कुछ 5-7 प्रोडक्ट्स, जिसका कॉस्ट कहीं भी 1000-1500 तक भी आ सकता है मिनिमल। लेकिन अगर आप एक प्रोफेशनल मेकअप किट के लिए बात कर रहे हो, एक मिनिमम प्रोफेशनल किट 50,000 तक आपका अच्छे से बन जाता है, जिसमें आपको डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली एक ब्रश किट की जरूरत है, जिसमें 20 से 30 ब्रशेस होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हर एक क्रिएटिविटी के लिए, हर एक स्ट्रोक के लिए डिफरेंट शेप के ब्रशेस होते हैं। तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एक मेकअप किट में। एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए ये एक तरीके का बिगेस्ट औजार है, फिर आपको ब्रश किट होना ही चाहिए। सेकेंडली, आपके पास फाउंडेशन कलर्स होने चाहिए। तो आजकल हमारे पास प्रोफेशनल मेकअप किट्स में प्रोफेशनल पैलेट्स आते हैं, जो पैलेट के अंदर 10-12 कलर्स होते हैं, और वो कलर्स को मिक्स करके आप दूसरे कलर्स बना सकते हो। सारे बड़े बड़े ब्रांड में 50-50 शेड्स होते हैं, लेकिन आपको इतना सारा लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आप एक प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट हो। आपको सिखाया जाता है कि आप 2 कलर्स को मिक्स करके कैसे तीसरा बना सकते हो। तो ये भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है आपके किट में जो होनी चाहिए। आपके आई शैडो पैलेट्स होने चाहिए जो बेसिकली पिगमेंटेड होने चाहिए। पिगमेंटेड का मतलब है कि जिनमें से कलर आप हाथ से स्ट्रोक करो तो अच्छे कलर्स निकलने चाहिए, ताकि वो दूसरों के आंखों पर अच्छे से दिख सके। आपके लाइनर्स, आपके लिपस्टिक्स, आपके ब्लशेस, ये आपके बेसिक चीजें हैं, और इन सब के रेडी पैलेट्स मिलते हैं। लेकिन आपको ये मिड ब्रांड से लेके हाई ब्रांड तक हर एक रेंज में मिलेंगे। मैं जब स्टूडेंट्स को कहती हूँ एक 50,000 का किट, तो वो मिड ब्रांड किट होता है। एटलीस्ट उससे आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या ये आपका लाइन है। आप 50 मेकअप करोगे, क्या आप एंजॉय करते हो, और अगर आप एंजॉय करते हो तो आप अपने पैसों से फिर वो थोड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स खरीद सकते हो।
Got it. Great, thank you. That was very helpful. Does anyone else have any questions for Prisha?
No, Lavina. I guess all the questions are answered while she was conducting the session itself. So I think as a skill, it's really important for our learners to know that yes, it's not a male or a female, but this skill is applicable if you have a passion and the creativity in hand. So that was really a good sentence that Prisha has used during her entire session. Yeah,
Thank you,
so
thank
much,
you guys. Thank you so much for inviting me. It was a great pleasure meeting all of you and giving me this opportunity. Thank you. I hope I have helped some people choose their career. I'm looking forward for many more such trainings.